Yes, so before heading out to bed, safety is very, very key. So as we're getting ready to load, Joe just got in when I was about to leave. So he's got to put a seal to seal every container to ensure that the only person who gets to open is the receiver. So that's completely sealed. And then as Joe seals, he also loads it in the truck. So Joe, I need to go and sleep, buddy. So what you can do is that you can just load those two and load the big one too, so I can see how strong you are. All right. So Joe is getting ready to load the truck. He is such a strong young man. So that's 50 liters. Oh, I see you're cheating. I see you're cheating. That's how you do it. You're not going to look at that. Look at Joe. Look at how strong this boy is. Oh my goodness. Just like that, eh? But that was cheating.
It's not cheating.
I should probably put a belt here, so you just put it in and you stress it. You press it and then you can be able to take it. So he's getting ready. Ah, I see how you do it. How about if you carry it? Let me see you carrying it. I think you'd rather carry it. Just carry it. Let me see how you carry it. So then you're going to ruin the... Just carry it and see how strong you are. Carry it.
Carry it.
Yeah.
Just like this one.
Yeah, I think you should carry it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Ni tizi unafanya tizi asubuhi eh? Wacha mimi nikalale bwana. We, unajua umelala, umenitoa nimekufanyia kazi yote.
Okay. You're gone.
Look at that. And then Wambua will come in the morning and they'll head out to the market.